This question wants us to do two things: work out the area of this rectangle and work out the perimeter. So first, let's work out the area. Now, for any area question, we always start off by writing the formula for the shape. So this one is A, the area, is equal to the length times the breadth. Second line, always for an area question, we just substitute the numbers in. So the length is 20 and the breadth is 10, and then we just do the multiplying. So 20 times 10 is 200, and the units, because it's area, is centimetres squared. Remember, all area units are squared. Now, the second part was the perimeter. Now, the perimeter is the distance it takes to go around the outside of a shape. So it's all of those sides adding up together. So first side, we've got a 20. That's my first side. And then I would then add on a 10. And then I would add on another 20. And finally, I'd add on a last 10. Now I just need to add these up. And if I was to do that, I would get 60. Now this is a length, it's the distance around the outside, so the units are just centimetre.